Okay, we are going to be doing lesson 5. And lesson 5 is called Naming Whole Numbers and Money. Naming whole numbers and money. Okay, so for an example, we're going to look at the number 365. Okay, and the way that we break this down into expanded form is 3 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. Okay, but the way you would say this is 365. Okay, so please show me some examples from your, I want you to do the ones 18. I want you to do the number 108. I want you to do the number 80, and I want you to do the number 821. Just write those down the way that you'd say them. It doesn't have to be an expanded form. All right. Now, example 1. We have, it says Cameron County is 906 square miles. Okay, 906 square miles, and that is Cameron County. And Collinsworth County is 919. So it's asking which county has greater land. Well, would it be 900? So if we set this up, 906 over here and 919 over here, which one is greater? Fill in that bubble and I'll check it tomorrow. And example 2 is you have a little chart and it says month, and then you have some months: November, December, January, February, March. Okay, and then this chart is looking at the cost for how much it cost for them to heat the houses in these months. Okay, 141 for November, 315 in December, 373 in January, 264 in February, and 149 in March. All right, now it says order the months from least to most expensive. All right, so from least to most expensive, the order would go, we're going to look and see which one is the most. We know there's 2 that are in the 300s, so these will be the most, and then the least will be the ones in the 100s. So the least is November, and that's 141. Then March, and that's 149. And then February, and that's 264. And then least to most, so the most is January, so the next one is December, with 315, and then January, most expensive, $373 that month for their heating bill. Okay. And then we are going to do some lesson practice. So the things that we mainly covered today were the way that you say these expanded form, 306 tens plus 5 ones, which that's not how you say it. The way you say it is 365. Okay? There was one other thing, and that is that when you are talking about money, the decimal point would go where, you would say the decimal point, you would say and where the decimal point was. Okay, so for example, in this lesson practice, letter A says, use words to name. All right, and then we're gonna say, don't put A right there. Use words to name A. And I'm going to be saying these, so you'll see how I say it. $563.45. B. 101. So what you're going to be doing is writing how you would say it. For example, 365, not 365, 365, okay? But if it has the decimal for money, you're gonna say $563.45, okay? C, or B, that's just 101. So you can just write it underneath. C is 111. And D is use the digits to write 245. But for D, we're just going to write this one. All right. And then for E, we'll say use digits to write 245, 245. I spelled 40 wrong. Sorry. 45. EF. Use digits to write 503 and 50 cents. Can you see that? Okay, good. All right. And so please complete this page of what I haven't done and have these notes done for tomorrow, and we will go over in class. Thank you.